Have you heard of CapCut? I bet you do. Most people think you need hours of editing, expensive softwares, and huge budget to create videos for YouTube and TikTok. CapCut is owned by ByteDance, the same company that owns TikTok. Recently, they have come up with a new AI video maker. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use it to create high quality videos. No editing experience needed, and it's completely free. First of all, head over to CapCut's official website. On your search engine, just type CapCut and you'll get this interface. This is their online interface. On top right corner, you will see a desktop icon, then download for desktop. I prefer the desktop app because it's more stable. You can download for Windows or Mac. I've already downloaded mine. This is the interface for the desktop app. Click AI Video Maker. This is the new tool. It will take like a few seconds to load. This is how it looks like. We have different powerful tools here. You can see Instance AI Video, Brainstorm with AI, Avatar Video, Match Media to Script in one click. And also there's this other option, New Project. I'm going to take you through all these. First of all, click on Instant AI Video. So it looks like we're supposed to enter a script. If you don't have a script, don't worry. There's these other options, generate a script. Here you can enter any prompt you have and it will automatically generate a short video for you with background visuals, caption, music, and voiceover. A video that you can post on YouTube or TikTok or even Instagram Reels. So let's say you want to make a motivation shot in a self-help niche. Come up with just a prompt. For instance, I'll write, never give up, even when life gets tough. That's our prompt. Down here, you can see we have voiceover. Click on it. You have several voiceover. You can click on this icon to preview each.
Welcome
For
to
instance,
creating voiceovers.
So you can click on each and select the one
Welcome
that you
to
like.
creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
So personally, I'll choose Mentor. It aligns with my script. Then there is timestamp. You can select duration like 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I'll choose 1 minute duration. Then you have aspect ratio. 16:9 is for long videos and 9:16 is for shorts. So I'll select 9:16. Then there's style. You can choose the style you like here. I'll go with a realistic film. So you can see it has already created script. It's now creating voiceover. It will then generate media. And there you have it. Now this is a short video. This is the script. This is the voiceover, and these are the video it has generated, or the media. If you want to edit it, you can click here. So you can select, maybe if you want to change the topic or choose a topic you want, you can maybe add something to the script. You can change the duration, you can choose your style. You can also add different scenes. You can choose voiceover. You can choose avatar, speaking avatar. You can change the media. You can generate media with AI. You can match your media if you have one. You can use matched stock media. This is inbuilt in CapCut. You can choose elements, the one you want. You can even add music if you're interested in it. So let's see how a video looks like. So I'll just
Don't ever give up. I know things are gonna get tough. Everyone has problems. Everyone has things they're dealing with. But giving up is not the answer. You have to keep going. You have to be strong. You have to be brave. I know it's hard, but you have to believe in yourself. You have to have faith that things will get better. And most importantly, you have to never, ever give up. So when things get tough, when life knocks you down, you gotta get back up. You gotta dust yourself off and say, I'm not giving up. I'm not giving in. I'm gonna keep going. Because that's what life is all about. It's about the journey. It's about the struggles, the obstacles, the challenges. It's not about the destination, so don't ever give up. Keep going. Keep moving forward. Be strong. Be brave. And most importantly, believe in yourself.
That is it. That is great. So let's say you want to edit maybe some segment. For instance, I didn't like this part. I can just replace, click replace. So we want to replace this. Then click generate. It will generate new media for you. It take few seconds to generate. Now this is what we have. I'll choose this. This looks better. I'll add to scene. And if you're not satisfied, you can generate again and again. Then close it. There we have it. So we can go back and try something new. So you can, before that, you can export your video here to your local file or folder, then upload it to TikTok or YouTube Shorts. So let's go back and now try this one, brainstorm with AI. So I'll click it. So brainstorm creative ideas for your video. So I'll try the tech niche. I'll try something like how wireless charging works. How wireless charging works. So you're supposed to just give the AI an idea, then it will help with the brainstorming. Then I'll click generate. It has generated 4 topics for us. So the future of wireless charging, what you need to know. So you can pick the topic you like. There is this unlocking the secret of wireless charging technology. I'll prefer that. You can also generate more if you are not satisfied with what it gave you. So I choose unlocking the secrets of wireless charging technology, a deep dive. So I'll click generate. I'll select duration, just select 1 minute. Then I'll click generate. Let's see what happens. So right now it's creating script. Just sit, relax, and wait for it to write your script. It is done. Then I'll use this script. In here, I can now add, you can see we don't have voiceover, we don't have media. Come here, I'll come to the voiceover. I'll select the one, let me preview.
Hey,
Focus.
good to see you.
Let me just choose voice only, without the avatar. Let me preview.
Welcome to creating
Leo.
voiceovers.
I don't like Leo. Let me choose another one. Let me see excited man. I like this one. I'll select that, then apply it and see it appears here. Let's give it time. Yeah, and it's done. So I'll go to the media. I'll generate, as you said, you can generate using Matchstock or your own media. I'll generate using AI. I'll choose realistic film again and apply to all scenes. It will take time. As it is generating, you can explore other options. You have elements, music. It is done. Yeah, this is how it looks like. This is 16:9 video. It's ideal for YouTube channel. And see how it came out.
Wireless charging is one of those technologies that seems almost magical. Just drop your phone on the charger and it starts filling up with energy. No wires needed, but have you ever wondered how it actually works? Well, it turns out there's a lot more to wireless charging than meets the eye in this video. We're going to unlock the secrets of this amazing technology and find out what really makes it possible. From the physics of electromagnetic induction to the magic of resonant inductive coupling, we lines explore the cutting-edge science behind wireless charging and how it is transforming the way we power our devices. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we take you on a journey through the fascinating world of wireless charging. And who knows, you might just learn a thing or two along the way.
Yeah, I like it. I'm not going to edit anything. Let us head back. Now, avatar video is where you have avatar speaking. Let us do one. So, I'll just enter a script. For instance, I'll say top 5 AI tools. 5 free AI tools everyone should know in 2025. That's my script. Then I'll select 1 minute. I'll select this round. I'll select Leo. Then I'll select my avatar, my speaking avatar. I'll go for this guy, innovator. Then create. So as you can see, our video is ready. generating. Right now it's generating voiceover and some media. Let's give it a few seconds to load. It's 9 by 16, good for shorts or TikTok videos. So let's play and see how it came out.
Here are the top 5 free AI tools that you need to know in 2025. No is an AI tool that can help you generate leads for your business. You just need to provide it with some details about your product or service, and it will generate a list of potential customers who might be interested in what you have to offer. Number 4 is an AI.
As you can see, it has generated our video, but it has some issue. You can go back and edit it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll just edit the script. Like it said no instead of number. So I'll just write number 5. Just click where you want to edit number 5. Then this number 4. Then you can just put a comma there. And here it's number 4. Then 3, it's okay here. Then here it's let's put number 3, comma. Here I'll say number 2, comma. And here I'll say number 1, comma. Then I'll regenerate the voiceover for those numbers. So you can update the whole thing, but I've just decided to update section by section. You can update the whole thing. So here number 3 update, then we go to number 2 update, and finally number 1, and we update it. After this we'll play it again to see how it came out.
Here are the top 5 free AI tools that you need to know in 2020. Number 5 is an AI tool that can help you generate leads for your business. You just need to provide it with some details about your product or service, and it will generate a list of potential customers who might be interested in what you have to offer. Number 4 is an AI-powered email platform that can help you write better emails. It's not going to write the emails for you, but it is going to help you with suggestions as you write, so that you can sound more professional and get better results. Number 3 is an AI writing assistant that can help you with all sorts of writing tasks, from writing full-length articles to rewriting existing content. Number 2 is an AI design tool that allows you to generate images based on text prompts. You can use it to create logos, illustrations, backgrounds, and anything else you need. And number 1 is an AI video generator that allows you to create videos based on text prompts. This tool is still in.
There we have it. It's perfect. So you can go ahead and export it here. Then it will be saved on your folder, then upload it on your social media of your choice. Let's head back to CapCut. Now, the last one is match media to script in one click. This is the same process, but here you'll have to upload your own media. AI will not generate for you, but here you will just have your own script, or generate a script, then you will upload your own match media. Yeah, with that, I hope it has helped you. So you can export all your videos in 1080p or 4K resolution. So let me just show you how to do it. For instance, let me just open one video. When you want to download it or export it, you click here, then you have all these options. So these are the recommended option, but I'll advise you select high. Then on your resolution, select 1080p. Format MP4, it's okay. All move, which is great. Then frame rate, select the highest, which is 60 FPS. Then export your video. And that's how easy is it to make a viral faceless content in any niche using just CapCut AI for free. You don't need to be a pro editor or spend hours creating one. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you on the next